Burritos, y'all. They taste real tasty. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chill. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So we're gonna start off by getting our onion peeled, and then we gonna get it chopped up, y'all. Just slice them in half. And hey, just chop it right on down, y'all. Chop it right on down. Then we gonna start on our bell pepper. Now this bell pepper here, we gonna get them diced up, y'all. We want them diced, not chopped, just diced. Oh, and don't forget to give your boy the LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. Now as we get our veg chopped, let's go ahead and start working on our chicken. Now this is just boneless chicken thighs. And we're just gonna cut it in the strips, y'all. Just cut it in the strips, that's all. Nothing hard. Oh yeah, almost done with this here, y'all. We got us a nice pile of chicken here. We can go ahead and start grilling. So we gonna get our onions and bell peppers on. Now we just want to sweat these out real quick. So we're going to add a little salt. Of course, a little pepper. Yeah, that salt. That'll sweat that veg out, y'all. Then of course, you know we got to give it a mix. I like this little grill, y'all. I really do. I'm gonna be upgrading soon, though. Y'all gonna see. But anyway, let's get our chicken on. Now, of course, we want to cook our chicken through. So we gonna give this a mix. Let it get all over that hot griddle. As a matter of fact, our onions pretty much done, y'all. So we gonna move our onions and our bell peppers down to the cold part of the grill. Cause they don't need cooked on there, y'all. They cool. They cool. So yeah, on my griddle, cool part is right here on the bottom. That way cause they don't need no more heat, y'all. And we gonna get this chicken all over this griddle now. So I turned all the burners down to low. And of course, y'all know what time it is, right? You know we got a rain on it. So we're gonna start off with some cayenne. Some paprika. And of course some salt. Gotta have that salt. And of course we're gonna go ahead and mix that all together. We're gonna get our onions back into the pot. Oh yeah. Get that mixed all good together. And hey, we got some now, y'all. We almost ready to eat burritos. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So our chicken and our veg is looking pretty good. So let's go ahead and get us a bowl and get our chicken out. Now on this tortilla, add me a couple of shots of Velveeta. Then I'll add me some rice. Then I'll add me some black beans. Now you can use whatever your favorite bean is. I prefer black or pinto. And now I'm gonna add me some of that chicken, y'all, and the onions and bell pepper. And now I'm gonna come on through with me a half of avocado. I like my avocado, y'all. And then we gonna go ahead and roll this burrito up. What I like to do is push most of it to the back, and then I fold in both sides, and then I just roll, y'all. Now in rolling, if one side comes loose a little bit, we just gonna tuck him right back in, and we gonna keep on rolling. Let's go and cut him up, see what he look like, see what he look like. Oh my goodness. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Look at that filling, that cross section. Let me take a bite of this. Tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, y'all, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.